Hello friends, this is Madhu Reddy from Money Breeder. Uh, this is the my trade plan in terms of Nifty, Banknifty and Finnifty. Any interesting sector or any interesting stocks, I would like to share my study with you guys. As part of it, I am making the video. Okay, let's start with the Nifty first. Okay, now what happened yesterday? First, let us start what happened yesterday as per our discussion and what going to be tomorrow our expectation. Okay, so yesterday what we discussed was there was some price action here the last meeting. So here the support got, this is the support got broken and retraced. Okay, this may go up or go down. This was the expectation we thought. In case if this comes to opens in this region, we cannot trade anything because this is the risky zone. Okay, so what we expected, since there is a big price action here, okay, if the stock comes to here in this region, okay, we can happily go for the shorting opportunity. That is what the discussion I made in the last video. If we see, right, exactly the market opened in this area. Okay, since there is a price action here, okay, this is acting as a exact resistance and stock fallen once again. Okay, here there is a here also there is a price action, good amount of price action was there. So this is the acted as a exactly support region. So stock whenever it touches back, it bounce back to the same area. Again in this area there was a resistance, then started falling. Okay, this was the previous day price action in the market. Okay, let's go for the today's price action. That means tomorrow's price action, which is June 4th. Okay, June 4th. What I am expecting is, let's start the market sentiment first. Let us find out the market sentiment first. Okay, for that, most of the time what I do is I will try to find out the advanced decline ratio. Overall F&O stocks, right? Overall F&O stocks, we are having the advanced decline ratio is 1:0.558. That means for every one stock buy, right? For every one stock buy, 0.558 stocks are selling, half of the stock. Okay, so Nifty having 1.61. That means overall F&O, if you compare overall F&O, right, Nifty 50 stocks are looking little bit weaker than whatever the F&O. At the same time, if we see, right, Banknifty having the more strength than Nifty and Finnifty. Okay, that means Banknifty having the more strength. So Banknifty may drive the Nifty as well tomorrow. So little strength I am seeing in the Banknifty with when we compare with the Nifty and Finnifty, right? Okay, this is looking little bit strength. So if we see the FIS and DAS data, right, overall 77 crores, okay, taken out from the market. Okay, that means in the morning time, right, the FIS are trying to take the market up. Okay, FIS are trying to take the market up. Okay, DAS are coming and bringing down. Most of the time it is happening like this. Okay, FIS are trying to take the market up and DAS are trying to bring the market down. Okay, this contribution might be the FIS, this contribution might be the DAS. Again it started the FIS. Okay, so whenever these two big people, right, these two big people are in the divergent mode, means market will be in the range bound. So these guys, one guy may buy like this, other guy may bring the down, or if the first person take the market down, other person going to take the market up. Okay, that means the market is going to be the sideways in the range bound. The range can be, okay, whatever the previous high and the previous low, in this range only it is going to trade. Okay, if we take the trading opportunities, right, the trading opportunities wise, let's take market opens here. Okay, if the market opens gap up, okay, like currently it closed at 18,530, right, around 580, 50 points gap up. Okay, if this opens the 50 points gap up, okay, so we cannot look for the any buying opportunity or any selling opportunity. If you go for the sell side, right, there is a previous day here it made the high. Okay, next this is the zone. This is the zone going to be act as a support. Okay, if this opens above this, right, above this, here huge resistance is there. There could be some decline here. Okay, some decline here. It will act as a support here. It will act as a support here. Then bounce back and it will go up. It may go up. Okay, go up till 6. In this region 660, 650, something like this. Okay, till this point it may we can see if this is happens, if this gap up, right, don't trade here. Okay, I am planning to take the long here and travel till this point. Okay, this was the my trade plan. Okay, if that is opens close by in this area, any area. Okay, this is the area, this is the zone. Okay, in this zone, this 50 points zone, wherever it opens, right, I will wait for the retracement. Okay, go for the long here. If the market opens gap down, what I will do is, here in this region or wherever it is, gap down means I will wait for the retracement, come to here in this zone, come to this zone. Okay, you have to give draw the lines like this, whatever the way I have drawn the lines, right, you also draw the lines. Okay, if the market gap downs, right, gap down somewhere in this region, all below this, right, then I will look for the shorting opportunity when market reach here. Okay, in this region, previous day. Okay, previous day low or in this region, any of this region. Okay, this region I will wait for the retracement. Okay, look for the sell opportunity. This is what my trade plan. Okay, if the market opens in between here or anywhere, there will not be any trading opportunity. It is going to be the sideways only, very narrow range sideways. Okay, why I am saying very narrow range? If we go to that daily time frame, okay, see the candle is indecision candle almost. Okay, this was the completely red candle, and this between this red candle it is engulfed. Okay, so we cannot see the any price action above until it reaches to above this or below this. Okay, in between this we cannot trade. That is very high risky. We cannot expect to give the at least 20 points move. Okay, like this narrow range it will trade. This was the Nifty analysis. Almost Bank Nifty also similar thing compared to Nifty. Okay, the stocks wise, right, if you take the HDFC Bank, ICICI, Kotak already fallen 4%, now slowly started recovering. Okay, those stocks reached to the support level and it started moving little bit up. So I am expecting little bit some mild bullishness. This is also here in this range or in this range. Okay, here see why I am not looking for the sell side opportunity tomorrow, because okay, lot of price action happened in this range. Multiple times it touched the multiple times it retraced. Okay, now there could since multiple times it touched, okay, there will not be a further short positions in this range. So If that goes to the next level in this range or in this range, I will look for the shorting opportunity for sure. Okay, here in this range anywhere we can look the shorting opportunity, but here I don't want to look the shorting opportunity because the day is already over. One time, two times it already gave the shorting opportunities. Same in the Nifty and Banknifty. Okay, Finnifty I would love to trade in the Finnifty because Tuesday is the expiry. Monday if we try to trade in the Finnifty, decay will be more. Since I am the option seller, I may get 5 to 10 points extra than Nifty if I get correct opportunity. So Finnifty, what I am thinking is Finnifty is weaker than Banknifty. It may slow. It may little down. If this opens in the gap down, okay. I don't know if this opens in the gap down. I will wait for right level. If this opens in this range only, in this range I will not look for the any opportunity. Okay, but if this goes to this range, definitely I will look for the sell opportunity, because morning if somebody takes to the other party is going to bring down, because FIs and DIs both are in the divergent mode. Okay, this is what my analysis only is very simple. Okay, three conditions. If the market opens in this region, okay, I will wait for the retracement till this point and go for the long. Okay, if the market opens below this range, I will wait for the retracement here and look for the sell opportunity. Any in between, right, there is no trading opportunity. I will not trade in this range. Okay, that is the very simple three conditions. One is this one and this one. Why the reason is it has to come out of the range. Okay, then only we can look for the opportunity. If it is narrow range, it is opening in this range, right? Okay, until it comes out from this range, I will not trade in the Nifty for another 2 days or 1 day. Okay, let's wait for the trading opportunity. Otherwise, unnecessarily we will lose the money for hitting the stop losses in sideways market. Okay. Coming to the stock specific, okay, I am looking some bullishness in this stock. Okay, this is Cummins Industries. If we go Cummins Industries, right, it formed the doji, maybe reversal. It can happen reversal or it may break out. Okay, because 5 days it traded in the range. Okay, what I am planning, I wanted to trade like this. Downside, a lot of price action happened. If we see, right, downside, okay, downside, a lot of price action happened here. So it is trying to push up whenever it comes to the downside. Here it is broken, right, breakout failure. Okay, it came up, now it is the breakout here, retested. It may go till this point. Okay, this reached to the position where upside also cluster of resistances are there, downside also cluster of supports are there. So either one of the things, I am expecting gap up, go for the long, gap down, go for the short. Okay, there is no decision, because Nifty also as of now there is no it is not indicating the bullish or bearish. Okay, this one I am looking for the, if this opens little bit gap up, right, I am seeing some strength in this stock. Okay, Tata Chemicals, I will look for the buying opportunity here. Okay, there I will not go for the sell side. Even if this gap down, right, there is a probability of coming up. Okay, the further if you see, right, in the volumes, you see the volumes. Okay, whenever the green candles are happening, the huge buying interest is there. Okay, whenever the red candles are happening, there are very less number of people are selling. Okay, you see the stock in the volumes, right, volumes, buying interest is more than selling interest in last 2 days. That is where I am looking for the last few minutes, right, last few minutes, these are the volumes breakout. Okay, there could be a huge delivery volumes in this. They might have created the big position. So I wanted to look for only the above this, the buying opportunity with the target of 998, 4-5% I am looking. Havels also same thing. Okay, Havels, this was trading in the very narrow range for the day. Throughout the day it traded in the very narrow range. Okay, downside I am not looking because this if you see, right, cluster of supports are there. Lot of price action might have happened here, here, here. So the moment it comes here, it may bounce back. I will go for the buy opportunity in this. Okay, cement stocks, I expected yesterday whatever the watch list we have created, in that watch list we didn't see any price action. Only NMDC had price action, but momentum is not there. So that is the reason I didn't go for any trade in the watch list stock. Okay, Dalmia Bharat also I may look for the buy side only in this. Okay, Alchem, see, if I wanted to trade in the Alchem, right, this will be having lot of slippages. So just for the intraday stock, right, for the people who ever trades in the cash segment, they can study. Okay, here the good support region is there. Upside also there is no much room to go up. Okay, if this opens above this area, go for the buy side, looking good. Okay, IDFC, this is also one confused state. The stock is trading, it reached to the point where it is in the range it is trading. If this breaks this one, right, this is going to be a big up move. Okay, downside I am not looking the downside as of now, because retail participation is more in this stock. Okay, whenever it comes down, they will kick up. Okay, the probability of hitting the stop loss will be more. RBL Bank, already it is reached to the extreme level. Okay, last couple of days it went extremely. So if this opens here, I will try for the reversal trade with the target of this. Okay, this is the reversal trade I am planning, the RBL Bank. Okay, Tata Motors, reversal trade. If this opens gap up, I will try to sell this till this point. Apollo Tyres, a reversal trade only. So in the top there is no probability of going up because a lot of price action happened. Cluster of resistances are there. Okay, you try to draw the last 4-5 days. See the resistance. Okay, this is the biggest resistance. So if this opens in this range, rate, definitely I will go for the short in this. Okay, this is the Apollo Tyres. The auto sector, especially auto sector, mild, it already run up a lot. Now it has to pause for a few days. So I might be go for the short in auto sector. Okay, auto sector in the sense very few stocks only. Okay, I don't go with the M&M, all these things, because I am already holding the position in M&M. If you see my position in M&M, right, see, these are my positions I am having. This M&M, right, after I had the big position in M&M and I got the 10,000 rupees profit. After that I did some small adjustment to save my profits. Okay, the adjustment I am going to tell you. Okay, this is the M&M, 10,650 profit is there. Okay, see, now with this adjustment, right, if this goes up, right, little bit up also, I will get a good profit. Okay, I am my max loss will be 490 rupees only. Wherever it goes, I made it trade free. 1:56% is the risk reward. I got it. either zero profit or I may get good profit, 27,000 rupees profit. Okay, this was the M&M trade I had, and I booked the profit also. Okay, now once again I opened the trade by looking, by adjusting my position with no loss no gain. That means I made sure that max loss between buy option and sell option should not cross 10,000, which I have booked. That is the small adjustment. Okay, nothing else. So similarly, coming to this, right, Cummins, I am seeing some price action in the downside. It reached downside. Downside is good support, so we can look for the till this point only. If this opens very high, right, blindly I will kick for the auto stocks. All the auto stocks you can reverse. You can look for the reversal trades. Okay, Havels is the buy side. I am looking. We'll see what happens. RBL, most of the things are in the reversal side only. More you can look, but Tata Chemicals. Okay, this Tata Chemicals, I am looking something upside. I am looking. That's all this thing. And one more thing I wanted to show you is okay, the nice strategy which I was talking, right, the money breeder conservative strategy. Okay, this was running with the 6,422 rupees. If this Nifty having mild bullishness, if this comes to here, okay, 670, I may see 8,000 to 9,000. I will book. I am expecting 10,000 rupees profit in this. Already I am running with the 5%. Okay, this is the strategy I wanted to run forever in my account. Okay, I wanted to show you. I am holding this. Okay, 2,600 profit is there. 2,600 profit is there. Already I booked some. Already I booked in this, right. 4,000 profit I booked. 3,900, 800, something like that. Required capital is 124. Okay, net credit we will get 23,000 rupees. Out of 22 probability is there for 22 unlimited risk. Okay, in order to avoid the unlimited risk, you can go for the some far out of the money. You can buy some 3 rupees, 4 rupees premium. Always this is the advisable for you. So that the unlimited loss is going to limited to the 1 lakh rupees. Okay. So this is the strategy I was talking, and other positions I am holding. Okay. Adani, just for the testing purpose I made. Jindal Steel, metal sector is bullish. I feel that's what I took the position in Jindal Steel, but my view went wrong. It is not reached to the position where I can do the adjustment, but it is holding. Okay, this is what I would like to show you, the status of my trade details and my trade plans. Okay, all these things. That's all from my side. Okay, please, this is not the trade recommendation or anything. Just I would like to give you the information to prepare the our trade plan tomorrow. Okay, just you have to think and make some story in your mind, so that if the price comes to that position we can react. Otherwise without mental preparation, right, we react abnormally, and it may result to the abnormally. There is a probability of losing the money. You must have some trade plan. Okay, if we get as per our trade plan, we can go for the position. Even if that hit the stop loss, we are fine, and we are very happy for that, because our study went wrong. What is there? Okay, every day we will not be right, every day we will not be wrong. Okay, that's it for the day. This is not the I am not the SEBI registered analyst or advisor. Okay, please do your own research before taking into the position. Whatever the stocks, the indexes, whatever I mentioned, purely it is for the support, resistance, all those things, right, just for the education purpose only. whatever learnings I am having, I am sharing with you. It's not intended for any trades. Okay. Thank you friends.